Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. I just uploaded a video on my channel and this is the start of a new vlog, y'all. So I'm about to get ready to go to Maya's recital, and yeah y'all, so Fat went home. Her mom came and picked her up. She didn't want to leave, and Damani is going home when his mom get here. Let me see. I was gonna say something, y'all. I just pushed my hair back because I didn't want to be sitting in front of nobody with no big ball on top of my head. So I just pushed it back. Y'all, I'm gonna take these out because I don't really like these. I don't like the way it make this look. But I'm gonna try to leave it in for another week since she took time out of her day to do my hair. So I'm gonna leave it in. I just got it like that. And yeah, I was looking at a YouTuber's channel, and I was my face is so shiny. I was looking at her channel, and I was reading their comments, and they got engaged, and they had an engagement party. They're the big YouTubers. And somebody said in the comments, yeah, after this, you need to go to the gym and work out because there's no way you should be looking 5 months pregnant, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, people are so intrusive and so rude. Like, if it does not affect you in no type of way, why make such a comment? Like, I would never understand that. That is just, I could never do that. I would never get on nobody's platform and degrade them or say anything that doesn't directly affect me. I would not say anything out of the way. I just don't get it. I don't get it. I got a few comments before certain things, and I'm like, it does not affect you in no way, shape, or form. It does not affect you. So why what I got going on should affect you in any type of way? But there's, people are entitled to their opinions. They're gonna always have something to say. And yeah, I was just floored when I seen that. I just happened to look at her comments because she's a pretty girl. And if she wasn't, like, it does not directly affect you. So what? Anyway, y'all, I just was thinking about it and I wanted to touch on it. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to go. I clean up when I come. No, I'm gonna clean. Yeah, I might clean up when I come back. I don't know yet. Or tomorrow. Maybe I'll clean up tomorrow. And yeah, so I will see you guys later. I'm gonna record what I can. How to my vlog.
Hi.
Tell me your name.
Huh?
Tell me your name. Tell me your name is Micah.
It's Micah Martin.
Micah Martin.
Yes.
Monday. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I can't find the remote to my TV because them kids. I can't find it. At one time I seen it when they was here. It was when they was here, they had it between the couch. Okay, so I told them to pick up the remote. Pick it up, put it on the table. Because that's where I keep it at. Now I come in here, it's gone. It's completely gone. I'm texting them. Nobody's not responding. Nobody not saying nothing. But I got something for them because they're not coming back. See, that's why I gotta get like that. So I am so mad because I was already watch TV while I cook. You know what I mean? Now I can't even watch TV. I don't know where my remote is. I could put the remote on my TV, but on my phone, but I still want my remote. The heck? Oh, I am so mad. I'm just drinking some water, y'all. I didn't have any water today. I had breakfast and everything, and I didn't have nothing to drink. Y'all know I be looking. I just got done watching Shayna and Eric's channel. Then now I was watching Trish. I think her name is Trisha. I just subscribed to her channel yesterday. So I was watching her video and I knew I was coming in here to cook. So I was like, okay, well, I can come in here, turn the TV on and cook. And y'all, I cannot find my freaking remote control. I lift the pillows up on the couch. Nothing. I might have to move the couch. I don't know. I texted Damani because he was the last one. He had Fat left first. I texted him. He didn't even respond. But he texted me and asked me for $10. Now he not getting the $10, y'all, because I already know he just want him a DoorDash. He probably want to put it with some money he already got, or him a DoorDash, because that's what he do. He love him some DoorDash. But anyway, that's, whatever. I'll find it or not. I need to wash my work clothes, y'all. I'm so ashamed. Them clothes right there, they've been on this dryer for about 2 weeks. I don't know. I hate folding clothes. Who else hates folding clothes, y'all? Else hates folding clothes. Tony does. Tony hates folding clothes. But I need to do that. But I'm about to put on, I got some little potatoes. I'm going to put those in the air fryer and make some roasted potatoes. Well, I guess that's not considered roasted if I put them in the air fryer. Is it considered roasted if I put them in the air fryer? I don't know. This is what Fat said she thought was orange. How you thought this was an orange? Girl, you kidding me? So yeah, I'm not gonna put these in the air fryer. I'm gonna put them in the oven with some olive oil, and I'm gonna grill some shrimp. It's 12 o'clock, 12:14. Y'all know I eat by 2, and I try to be in the bed by 3. Try to be asleep by 3:30. Hey, listen. Everything is on the schedule around here. I'm on the schedule. But let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in the air fryer because I want to use this pan. I want some cornbread so bad. I want some cornbread, and it's the only pan that I have. Another pan. So I got this. I think it can go in the oven, y'all. I think so. I don't know if I can put this in the oven. I'm gonna put it in there. I mean, this was my brother's. He wanted it back. But guess what, baby? It's too late. So I got some shrimp. And I got some steak. And that is. And I'm gonna have the roasted potatoes, and I want me a piece of cornbread. I don't know if that's considered cheating, but I'm finna fast anyway, so it don't matter. I don't care what it's considered. I just got a taste for it, y'all. So, and y'all, Maya did amazing yesterday, but I didn't even get to really see her. I seen her twice, and she didn't perform till like after the intermission. The intermission was after 7 o'clock, y'all. Intermission was after 7 o'clock, and yeah, y'all, intermission was after 7 o'clock. So I really didn't get a chance to see her because I had to leave before it got dark outside because I can't see at night. I'm gonna let the potatoes cook for a while before I put my steak and shrimp on. So I'm gonna go sit out on the balcony for a minute. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I done ate and cleaned up my kitchen. I just gotta do a little pickup here and there, like the stuff right there. And the cornbread is almost done. Okay, y'all, so I am done eating. It was so good. I didn't eat the cornbread because I'm full. I don't even want it. So I'll probably save it and make some cornbread dressing probably one day next week. And I found my remote, y'all. I found it after I done fussed everybody out. But it still should have been on the table where I leave it at. That's where I wanted it at, and that's where it should have been. I'm about to brush my teeth and take a shower. Find me something on this TV to watch for a little while. And then I'm going to bed. And the food was so good, y'all. It was so good. I saved the other half of the steak for G or for tomorrow. When he come over here tonight to get me for work, he might want it. I don't know. But it's in there if you want it. And yeah, I'm gonna edit this video at work because yeah, I'm not about to edit it right now because yeah, I gotta go to work tonight. Back to work. So yeah, I wish I could have had the video up today because I did say the month of May I was going all in, like vlog every day, but I can't, y'all. I thought about it and I'm like, well, maybe I could do 3 times, but I'm not going to say that. You know, whenever I could post, I'm just going to post. I'm just going to post more than usual. Okay, I'm just going to post more than usual. I'm not going to say which day or time or nothing. I'm just going to post it. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a great week ahead. And I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.